So hello children, we are moving to part 14 of our video lesson on trigonometric ratios. So this is my second last part, complementary angle. I have made 3 videos, part 4, part 5 and part 13 you can see. In between I have finished standard angle. So today is part 14, I will do harder sums, and in part 15 the concluding part, we will do the last 4 questions of this exercise 18.2 of M.L. Agrawal's book, which are very interesting. So my next video will try to do all the hardest sum of this chapter. So here we start with question number 12, we have to evaluate. In between, I will recapitulate what are the important trigonometrical results. So here we have to find. So what we do, sine square 35, let it be cos, sorry, square is not there, cos 55, I can write 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35 gives you 55. Same way children, cos 35, sine 55, I can write it as 90 minus 35. Okay, which gives you 55. Down, cosec square 10, I can write it as cosec square 90 minus 80. And tan, I leave it like that. So through practice you will see what we are trying to do. Actually we will try to get sine square. See, this will what it will become, sine square 35, sine 35, sine 35. Okay, into z, and this will become cos 35 and sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 35. So here I will get 1 children. My basic idea is to get 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta. Theta is same 35 degree. And down what I am trying to get is, here I will recapitulate, sec square 80 minus tan square 80, same angle. This will also be 1. I will show you how. This is 1 and we get 1. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 1. So before you pause the video and copy, see here what basic idea I am trying to do. Because we have to find the value 1, 2, 0, like that your answer will be there for a while. So sine square plus cos square by sec square minus tan square, because this is 1. So some important result just I will show you, just to recapitulate, because we are coming to the end. So let us remember few important result from the beginning. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy. So next thing on the screen you will see all the important result for class 9 trigonometry. Okay children, just I am recapitulating. Recap is a short form of recapitulation, means again trying to remember all the important results. So this is very important. In fact, for class 10 also, this is the basic idea. So yeah, this is my part 14. One more video will come, and class 10 I think I have made only 2 videos, if I remember. One on trigonometric identities, one on height and distance. So more will be coming up, but this is what is for ICS you need. Number 1, first 3 videos I have just explained to you the 6 trigonometric ratio. What are they? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, next what we call reciprocal relations. So next we have is what we call reciprocal relationship. Cosec is 1 by sine. Cosec starts with C, it is reciprocal of S. Cos starts with C, its reciprocal starts with S. Cot and tan are reciprocal. So cosec is 1 by sine, sec is 1 by cos, and cot is 1 by tan. Okay, then this is something very important, square relationship. And one more I will write, just one more is left here. So sine square theta plus cos square, this is all you need for class 10 also. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you take it as 1a. Okay, then just this we write in other way. Let us take cos to that side, children. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Let us take sine to that side. Let cos remain here. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. This we have less in class 9 we are using. Class 10 one full chapter is on this 3 square relationship. Let it be 2a What I do, I'll let it be 1 here for B. Tan take that side. So previous question you see I did sec square theta minus tan square theta. See previous question children. This I have put 1. Do one thing, let tan square be here. In C let tan square theta be here. This will be sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Same way here children, let it be 3a, B will be, let 1 here, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, cosec minus cot is 1. And the last but not the least, let cot be here. So it is cosec square minus 1. Cot here, 1 goes there. So cosec square minus 1 is cot square, sec square minus 1 is tan square, sin square plus cos square is 1. So these are the other two, what you can say, derivation from the main formula. Other two format you can see. And complementary angle as we are doing, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is what I am doing. Part 13, 14, 15 and part 4 and 5. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. This is what is complementary angles. Actually trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. We'll see sec square, sec theta, 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. And one last few thing we will see, just kindly pause the video and copy. Then so just see the last part children. I have explained to you reciprocal, square relationship, complementary relationship we are doing. This is what is quotient. These two are very important for class 10. That is also there, everything. 9 and 10 you need everything, especially this part. One particular chapter is there, trigonometric identities. So here last thing, quotient relationship, tan is sin theta by cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So in this very short thing I have explained to you the full essence of the trigonometric ratio chapter. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then 1 or 2 more sum we will do before we end today's session. So next we move on to question 13.1, 13 part 1 of exercise 18.2 of ML Agrawal. We have to prove, so don't write this children. We start with LHS. Okay, you can write in another line LHS. So what we get, cos, you let it be cos. We have to prove the left hand side should be equal to 2, which is right hand side. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin theta is sin theta children. Cos 90 minus theta, just I wrote before there, you will see, is sin theta. So this will cancel, this doesn't give you 0, you get 1. 1 plus 1, two equal thing, when you cancel you get 1, not 0. So this is RHS. So this was my question 13 part 1. Once more, cos you let it be, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. We cancel and we get 1 plus 1 as 2. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will move on to question number 14 part 2. So next we move on to 14.2. So simply what we do, we start with LHS. Okay, you don't write 1. You start with the LHS. So sin is 90 minus theta is cos A. Theta A x solid. Cosec is sec. Cos is sin. Sec is cosec. Now we know reciprocal relationship cos A. Sec is children 1 by cos A. Okay, this is 1 by cos A. And sin, cosec is 1 by sin A. So denominator becomes numerator. This will become cos square A. This will become sin square A, which we know, just I had written here if you see. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. which is RHS. Okay, so kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to the last sum. So let us see the last question of today's session, where we are going to do question 15 part 1, and this is simplify children. So remember, whenever you have standard angle children, we substitute the value of the particular angle. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 v square. So remember, don't try to apply complementary angle anything over here. Therefore, I started in my part 4 and 5 complementary angle, I stopped and I did the full standard angle, and again I am coming back in video lesson 13, 14, 15 to do complementary angles. So here, so these are 90 minus 1 all. So what we have, cos will remain cos children. Sine will also become cos. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This will cancel and we'll get 1. Now see, most important thing is this. Cos will become sine and sec will become cosec. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So children, this we get 1. And here if you see, this is 3, root 3 square is 3. This also becomes 1. And ultimately they will cancel. Okay, we will see. But here, most important thing what we will get as a sine theta, cosec is 1 by sine and denominator goes up. So this is 1 plus sine squared theta minus 1, this will cancel. So your answer will be sine squared theta. This is not evaluate, this is simplify. So your answer will be sine squared theta when you cancel. Always you don't get 1, 2 or 3 because this is simplify. So with this question we come to the end of video lesson 14 on trigonometric ratios class 9, and one last we will do very interesting question part 15, where we will do 16, 17, 18, 19, the last 4 hardest question of exercise 18.2 ML Agrawal's book. Thank you children for watching this video lesson.